Okay, I realize a lot of you guys may be new to VR actually, because a lot of you guys that past holiday season actually did end up getting MetaQuest 3s or MetaQuest 3Ss. So I thought I'd go over primarily experimental features, or rather the new experimental features, okay? I say new because a lot of tutorials were made before this past holiday season, and Meta changed up quite a bit with the V72, V71, and V72 update. So if you have either one of those, then chances are this has changed for you as well. So when I go over to settings, okay? And in order to check what version you're on, that's how you check. I'm on V72. But when people refer to experimental features, what they usually are talking about now is, if we scroll all the way down, they're referring to advanced, okay? Experimental features, it's still the name of it there, but it's in the advanced section now because, like I said, V71 and V72 update changed the whole layout system. So, yeah, it's a bit different. Let's actually go ahead and make this full so you guys can see it bigger. So as you see, it's still called experimental features here, but it will be by default when you go to settings and whatnot, you'll be brought here to general, scroll down, all the way down, right above help, you'll see advanced. And then you would see experimental features. It used to just being its own section. That's mainly why I made this video, so you guys could actually see. Also, so you guys can see this, because I personally just think it's a super cool feature. Not only can you do curved and flat, but it does this because I put this in full screen. So I put it in like it's on theater mode. But we can exit theater mode. We can proceed to move this up here actually if we want to. Actually, there is something involving that here actually. Something like, what was it called? Something to do with Windows. Yeah, I think it had to do with Windows. Use apps while laying down. Okay, it might just be a regular feature now. Because the thing about these advanced features, as they're called now, experimental advanced features, the thing about them is they are only in here when they're sort of beta, as it were. Once they get out of beta and they're actually in actual circulation and stuff, they just become regular features. So yeah, that's the secret about that. Just like me being able to use both my hand and the controller, it used to be, in beta, or rather in experimental features, but now I just think it's a normal thing that happens. But yeah, I'm getting a bit off topic. I really hope this helped you guys. I know it's a bit confusing now, so I'll probably title this video something like new experimental feature section, or new experimental feature location, something like that, because At the end of the day, I want to help you guys as much as I can. And on that note, let me know what you guys think. Those of you guys that have experienced the old layout, what do you guys think? Do you guys think the new layout is better? Or now do you think it's better? It just took you time to get used to? Or are you like, I still don't like it? Because you can actually change this to light mode if you rather do that. I have a whole video covering that. There will be a card somewhere, top right hand corner. And yeah, with that said, hopefully again that's helped you guys. I will catch you guys in the future. Later.